Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get high performance mode on your Android device. Using the app I created, this will help you unlock smoother, lag-free gaming and boost your CPU for better performance. If you're tired of frame drops and slow response times in your favorite games, then this video is for you. Make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's get started.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see.
Quick reminder, if you are using Bravant, make sure to unbravant the app before using it, as Bravant will automatically kill the app process when it clears RAM. This will prevent the app from running in the background.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I weighed the person you are.